So we're going to do some word problems, and then you're going to finish this assignment on your own. So if you notice, it's just asking you to define the variable in the equation, and then I do want you to solve. So I will help you find the equations of these, but over here I want you to solve and tell me what the answer is to the problem. All right, so on this particular one, it says, when Joe is 12 years older, he will be 36. How old is he now? So what you do not know here is that how old he is now. That's what you need to find. That's what you don't know, because you know in 12 years he will be 36. So the variable, when it says define variable, you have to tell me what x is going to represent. So x will represent Joe's age now. Okay. And then the equation, when Joe is 12 years older, so Joe is x now. When he's 12 years older, he will be 36. He will be 36 means his age now plus 12 would equal 36. So that would be your equation. And then in the next part, you would go ahead and solve that. Okay. All right, number 2, Pete's dog weighs 12 pounds, Pete's dog weighs 12 pounds more than Joe's dog. The dogs weigh 36 pounds together. How much does Joe's dog weigh? So the thing you don't know here is either one of their weights, but you know that Pete's dog is heavier than Joe's dog. So let's just say X equals Joe's dog's weight. Now, could you do this differently? Yes. But if I say the one that's smaller, then I can always add to that. So we know that Joe's dog's weight, which is X, plus Pete's dog's weight equals 36. The thing with Pete's dog, though, is that it's 12 more than Joe's. So if Joe's is X, then I would have Joe's plus 12. That would be Pete's dog's weight, and this would be Pete's dog. Or excuse me, this would be Joe's dog's weight, and this would be Pete's dog's weight because it's 12 more than Joe's. When I add those together, they would be 36. So then you can distribute that positive 1 through there, add the x's together, and solve for Joe's dog's weight. All right, number 3, 5 statues are in a box that weighs 1 pound. The total weight is 36 pounds. How much does each statue weigh? So what you don't know here is the weight of the statue, the weight of one statue, but you do know the box is 1 pound. So if I had 5 statues, 5 times the amount of one statue plus 1 would be the total amount of the whole box. The total weight is 36. Okay, I'm going to go to 6. After Tom reads 36 pages of his magazine, he still has 12 pages to read. How many pages are in a magazine? After Tom reads 36 pages of his magazine, he still has 12 to read. So what we don't know is how many pages are in the magazine. So X is the number of pages in magazine. Okay. So if I had the number of pages in the magazine and I say he's read 36, so the number of pages minus 36 would be how many he has left to read, which would be 12. That would be the equation. All right, so here is your assignment. You're going to go back and try to do 4 or 5 and the rest of them on that homework page for today. Remember, you have to solve for all of them. You need to let me know which ones you have questions on, and that way I can help you by tomorrow. Hope this helps. Have a good day.